What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Well, let's look at the interior. I did a few things. Aside from needing to be vacuumed, got the new glove box. Woo, it's hot. Alright, got the glove box in. As you guys can see, if I go in too far, it's gonna distort the camera because it's super hot and it's gonna fog it all up. So I got the glove box in. Door panel is done for the passenger. The driver, however, it's back in, but that center door card has completely broken off. When I mean door card, I mean the centerpiece here. My bad, I just locked it on accident. The centerpiece right here that goes all the way around. There's little tabs that mount it into the door panel, and it has broken off completely on the driver's side. But aside from the little trim panel around the climatronic unit on the AC and the headliner, the interior is done. I do want to get some mats to put in there, probably monster mats, rubber ones. I don't care if they say GTi, I don't care what they say, just want them. So I'm back inside. Obviously you can see the couch behind me. It's too freaking hot outside to be doing any type of vlogging. I just wanted to show you guys the interior's back together. A lot of you guys have been messaging me asking if there's any progress on the GTi. Mainly drivability. Drivability is perfect. Aside from the airbag light that stays on, it's probably just a wiring issue or something, I don't know. I'm not worried about that right now. The only thing I have to do for the interior is, like I said, the headliner, the little trim bezel around the climatronic AC control, the rubber mats, and the steering wheel has a little bit of looseness to it, and I just think the nut that secures it is just not completely tight. So I'm going to pull the steering wheel, not steering wheel, but the airbag cover off and tighten that nut, and it should be done for the interior. I'm just going to keep it really clean, really simple. I'm not doing anything custom yet. I just want to start driving it, and so I don't have to drive the GLI a lot. The heat advisory outside right now in Central Florida is I think 95 or 96, but the actual what it feels like is 104, 105. It's ridiculous, and there's no shade where that car is. And I open the door and it feels like it's 150 inside that car because everything's black, clear windows, which is going to change in the future. I don't know if I'm going to do 5% all the way around or what I'm going to do, but it will be tinted. A part of me thinks that I'll probably do a tasteful like 20% all the way around and a lighter shade on the windshield, or I could just go devious and do 5 all the way around, 35 windshield like all the other cars I have are. But oh my god, it's so freaking hot. So I'm gonna inside here, cooling off. If you guys have any questions about the build, it's not really a build, it's more of a restoration type thing. After I get the next few pieces for the interior, I'm going to be focusing on the exterior of the car. So coilovers, it's going to get not painted, but the exterior color is going to change. It won't cost a whole lot, and I'll be able to change it more frequently than I typically would if you would go and do a base clear type paint job. But other than that, you guys stay tuned. More mods will be showing up here soon for this car. I'm really excited to finish this, well, not finish it, but move it along progress wise, and I hope you guys are. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. See you guys on the next one.